guys, this is my workflow for the Zoho CRM. Basically what it does, it gets the data from the Google Sheet and check if email is empty or not. Then split it and get the emails or contacts from the Zoho CRM. I will show you now. Here are these Zoho CRM contacts. I have only one now. Then it splits them. For the code in JavaScript, I have put uh, a code that will check both the sides of Google Sheet and Zoho CRM, get all the emails and find them the unique ones, like the emails which are not available in Zoho CRM but are available in this my Google Sheet. It will find the unique emails, and then again for a safety purpose I have put the same logic again, so it will accurately filter out and then loop the items and send the emails. This is the workflow for the sending emails which I have put in on the Google Sheet and not available in the Zoho CRM. And this webhook is allow the person to unsubscribe for the email list. Once the email is sent to the contact, and if he want to unsubscribe to this email, he can click on a button which is shown in the email. I will show it to you now later. He can click on it and later on he will be unsubscribed from our list. Here you can see that on Zoho CRM I have a column email option out. If someone is false, the email will not send to him. So I will run this. First I will execute this to send me an email. Basically on Zoho CRM I have this email, and on Google Sheet this is the email which is mine, and email is going to send on this. Now I will execute the workflow. Here you can see that it has started, and from the get rows in Google Sheet it has acquired all the emails and check if the column is not empty. If empty, do nothing. If there is an email, then split out. Get the email from the contact of Zoho CRM, split them out also. There is a JavaScript code that find the unique emails, and then for the safety purpose again I have do this. And for the loop part, it is now searching for all the emails, insert it into this Gmail part, and then send again and again until all the emails are done. Now you can see the workflow has successfully executed. This means that I have got the email. Let me check now. You can see that here is the email which I have got. These are the testing emails from the Zoho CRM, and they are said address not found because these are the random emails, and the email which is mine is this. On this I have got the email, hi, I am reaching out after seeing the work as a department, and this is a button for unsubscribe. Now let us test the unsubscribe part. So it is triggered now. I have made a request in a curl type URL. You can also use post type. I will send this request as an unsubscribe part from here. When I click on it, you can see that it is a test@gmail.com. You can change this to test with your email. When I click on it, the webhook receive and it is started. Now if email is not found, there is no email, it will go here, do nothing. If there is an email, it will go that and remove it from the sheet. If there is no email in this sheet, then this means that next time when this workflow run, there will be no email sent to this person. Let me show you now. So I have made the request using my email pepsi159@gmail.com. Now I will execute it. First I have to run the webhook. Here it is my webhook. I will run it again, and now you can see that it is triggered. Now I will use this. Yes, it has been triggered now. It will get data from all the sheet, and if email is found, it will erase it. It has found the email and it executed. Now I will go to the sample sheet, and there is no email. You can see that it has removed that email. So next time this person will not get the email because he's been unsubscribed from our list. Thank you. This is my workflow from the Zoho CRM. See you next time.